This is your graphing on the coordinate plane notes review. List the location of the objects on the number lines below. First of all, before we answer any of the questions, the number line going left to right is our horizontal number line. Horizontal means we go left and right. Our number line that goes up and down is vertical. Okay, so we're going to figure out objects and the locations. -3 on the vertical number line. If I look at my vertical number line and I go to -3, I see that there is a truck. If I go to 4 on the horizontal number line, I see that there is a hot air balloon. I'm just going to put balloon for my space though. Now it's asking me where is the sailboat, so I need my positive or negative value and which number line it's on. My sailboat is at -2 on the horizontal number line. Where's the motorcycle? It's at +1 on the vertical number line. So I'm going to put 1 vertical number line. If I look at 5 on the vertical number line, I see there's a helicopter. And the rocket is at -5 on the horizontal number line. The coordinate plane, vocab. The coordinate plane is formed by 2 number lines. A horizontal number line called the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis. The lines intersect at a point called the origin, which is located at 0, 0. Okay, so here's our y-axis, here's our x-axis, and where they meet is our origin. Label the different parts of the coordinate plane. Top right is quadrant 1. Top left is 2, 3, and 4. If we are in section 1, quadrant 1, your x value means we're going to be starting from 0, 0, moving right and moving up. And those are both positives. If we're in section 2, we have to move left and up, which means our x value is going to be negative and our y value is going to be positive. If you're in quadrant 3, you have to move left and then go down. Those are both negative. And if you're in quadrant 4, you move to the right and then you move down, which means positive and then negative for y. So if you are moving right or up, it's a positive value. If you're moving left or down, it's a negative value. Those are key things to remember. Use the coordinate plane below to answer the questions. Determine the ordered pair for each point in the table. All right. A, we're moving left and then up, so A is -3, 3. B, you always start at your origin, move 3 right and down 3, so that one's going to be 3, -3. C, 4 right, -2 down, 4, -2. D, 1 right, 4 up, 1, 4. E, 4 left, 4 up, so -4, 4. F, 0 left or right, and -4 down. G, 4 right, 2 up, 4, 2. And H, 4 left, 1 down, -4, -1. This time, for problem number 2, they gave us the ordered pairs and we have to plot the points, but we always start at 0, 0. I, 2, -3. That means 2 right and 3 down. Probably need to make it a little smaller. All right. J, -5, 2. Left 5, up 2. That's J. K, -4, -5, which means left and down. L, 0, -2. M, 3 right, 1 down. N, 3 right, up 2. O, -1, up 4. And P, 5 right, 0 up or down. Number 3, the graph below shows several figures. Use the information to answer the questions. A, which point meets the conditions where x is less than 1? Okay, that means if our x value is less than 1, it has to be smaller. So we're talking this blue area, okay? Have to be going this way. And y has to be greater than -2, which means it's in this area. Okay, so which point meets where x is smaller than 1, but greater than -2? I can see A is in my shaded area, D is in my shaded area, and G. You can see D, G, and A. B, at approximately which points do the triangle and the circle intersect? I'm going to erase this so that we can see. Where the triangle and the circle touch are these 2 points. So the ordered pair for A is 0, -1. And this point is -2, -3. C, name the ordered pair that represents the center of the circle, which is going to be here. I'm going to put -2, -1. And D, describe where F is located in relation to the origin. So how would we travel from the original starting point to get to F? You could go up 2, right 3, or right 3, up 2.